Seiko 5 Sports 55th Anniversary Bruce Lee Limited Edition watch. I just love the dragon in there. Amazing. Before I begin, I want to share this booklet of Bruce Lee. It is a photograph booklet. Just wanted to post some photos quickly. Notice anyone in these photos? Many famous people here. Wow, great photos, amazing. And let's begin. 2024 is the year of the dragon and Bruce Lee's dragon. Amazing photographs here. Nice. Wow, great book here, photograph book. And let's begin. Nice book. I love this photo here. Amazing photo. Okay, this watch has a nice golden tone that goes around it, and the dragon there. Wow, I love it. The back side, it's see-through. You could see just the inside of the watch. The symbol here, the yin yang, it's Bruce Lee. He's saying, using no way as way, having no limitation as limitation. This is a limited edition watch, 15,000 of them, and it is water resistant. And I love the white strap here in the back side, the white strap with the gold dragon, just amazing. And then I noticed this part, the outside, it's the same as the yin yang here. The nice golden tone. It's an automatic watch, which means if it stops spinning, you just shake it like this for like 10-20 seconds, it starts moving again. Black strap on the outside, Seiko, and comes inside this box. I just love it, the Bruce Lee here. And when you open it, the inside, it's Bruce Lee signature. It does come with this strap as well. I kind of like this strap a little better, the black and the yellow. I feel like I'm inside the movie. Pretty cool. Great. Love this watch. And the Seiko, the price is $495. Great watch. I like the yellow strap. Looks nice. The black line that goes in the middle, amazing. Kind of reminds me of Honey in a way, Honey and Bee. To change the time date is that when you take this out halfway, you put it halfway and you put it forward. You could change the day, and then if you spin it the other way, you change the date. Okay, then when you put it out more all the way is when you could change the time like that, and then push it all the way in. Now it's back to spinning. Notice the way the second hand is spinning. Amazing. Cool watch here. I love it.